Alright, y'all. No, this ain't my boat. This is a customer's boat. But this is his new throttle installation. Got that old bullshit Johnson throttle off of there. And got us a nice universal. Got nice smooth transition all the way. We're in reverse going backwards now. Hit our neutral. Boom. Then hit our forward. Give it a little gas. And go a little bit. For a little 75 horse. Yeah, I did all the carb work and the tune-up and all of that. Don't worry about it. Everybody got skills of some sort. I just got a bunch of them.